There once was a man named David who had experienced a lot of pain and hardship in his life. He lost his parents at a young age, faced financial struggles, and went through a difficult divorce. David felt like he had hit rock bottom and was overwhelmed with despair and hopelessness. One day, he met an old man who was known in the community for his wisdom and compassion. David poured out his heart to the old man and told him about all the pain and suffering he had endured. The old man listened patiently and then said to David, "My son, pain is a part of life, but suffering is optional. You have the power to choose whether or not you continue to suffer." At first, David was skeptical of the old man's words. But over time, he began to understand the wisdom in them. He realized that he couldn't change the past, but he could change how he reacted to it. He started to focus on the positive aspects of his life, like his children and the people who cared about him. David also started practicing mindfulness and gratitude, which helped him find peace and joy in even the simplest things. He realized that he didn't have to carry the weight of his pain with him forever, and that he had the power to create a new and better future for himself. Years later, David was interviewed by a local newspaper about his journey and how he overcame his pain. He shared the old man's words and how they had changed his life. He said, "I learned that I didn't have to be a victim of my circumstances. I could choose to let go of my suffering and embrace the beauty of life. And that's exactly what I did." David's story serves as a powerful reminder that pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. We have the power to choose how we respond to the challenges and hardships that come our way. By practicing mindfulness, gratitude, and self-care, we can find peace and happiness even in the midst of pain. No matter what struggles we may face, we can always choose to take control of our lives and find a way to overcome them. The key is to focus on the positive, let go of the negative, and keep moving forward with hope and determination. Hello there, please drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.